Emily from Mama Needs a Project, and today I am putting together a little scrapwood Christmas village. I have a ton of scrapwood. This project will probably make the teeniest tiny dent, but I think it's going to be super cute and I'm pretty excited. I'm planning on using all 2-inch thick boards like this one. I've got a lot left over from when we built our deck like 2 years ago. It's been sitting in the garage forever and I'm ready to get it out of here. So I'll be using those. I'll probably mostly be using my miter saw. I'll be using my jigsaw a little bit too to make some trees and a few different things. I think it's gonna be super cute and I think you're gonna love it. So here we go. Okay, I'm going to start by making some little houses out of some scrap 2x6 boards. I'm going to do all of it on my miter saw, and what I'll do is cut a 45-degree angle right off one side, and then I'll draw a little line across and line up my 45-degree angle on the other side. I'll cut the other side at a 45-degree angle right on that line, and I'll show you on the saw so you know what I'm talking about. If you wanted, you could not line it up and make some wonky little houses, but I think I'll go with the standard good quality roof on mine. Okay, so after cutting this first angle, I'm just gonna take a regular, the camera's rolling, so obviously I can't remember what this thing is called. But I'm gonna take this thing and use it just to line up on the edge of the board here and draw a line straight across where the angle starts. Just like that. And now when I go to cut my other 45-degree angle, I'll just start it right at this point here. You should flip it over and draw it on the other side. Oh, geez Louise, guys. Okay, so right there you can see my straight line across. It starts right where this angle started for my first 45-degree angle, and now I can go ahead and cut one the other way and have a cute little house. Okay guys, I finished cutting up all of my little houses, and I did a couple different angles just so that you can see the different ways that it can look. 30 degrees guy, and the 45 degrees that I showed you at the beginning. This one is 50 and this one is 60, which I think is maybe the cutest one because it's extra pointy. I did a couple 2x4s too, and they're just cute little itty bitty houses. But now that I am all done with the houses, I'm going to move on to making some Christmas trees. For those Christmas trees, I am using some more scrap 2x6 boards, and I've just traced a Christmas tree design onto the board, and then I'll be cutting it out with my jigsaw. Okay, so now that I have my tree cut out, I'm gonna drill a couple holes in it to kind of look like ornaments. In my head, it's super cute. Hopefully it's super cute in real life too. I'm using just a drill bit from this set here that I use all the time. This is a 1/2" drill bit, and I'll be using it to drill some holes right in here. When you're doing this, you want to be careful that you don't accidentally drill into your work surface, especially since I'm drilling straight through. So I've put a sacrificial board underneath this, which is just a board that I don't care about. Another piece of scrap that it doesn't matter if I drill random holes in it. Another thing you can do is put a piece of tape on your drill bit that'll show you how thick your wood is. So I've put this piece of tape on, and it shows me like when I hit the tape, that's when I need to stop drilling, because that is how thick my wood is. Okay, let's check and see if that went all the way through there. We need to go a little bit deeper. Also, I didn't mention before, but you'll need to clamp. You will want to clamp your little tree down before you start drilling, just to keep it in place. Check on that guy. Not too bad. I finished cutting all my little houses and my Christmas trees. I sanded them up a little bit. I didn't spend too much time on sanding because I do not enjoy sanding, but my goal there is no splinters, and I think I've sanded them enough so there's no splinters. So my next step is just to paint them up and I'm all done.